History of AI. When we talk about artificial intelligence, it's important to remember it isn't a new idea. In fact, the journey of AI began in the middle of the 20th century. The term artificial intelligence was first coined by John McCarthy, a computer scientist, in 1956 at the Dartmouth Conference. This makes John McCarthy often referred to as the father of AI. However, even before this, scientists like Alan Turing were already discussing the idea of machines that could think. Alan Turing, a British mathematician and the father of modern computer science, introduced the Turing test in the 1950s. He proposed a test to see if a machine could trick a human into believing that the machine was a human too. This test is still used today to measure a machine's ability to show intelligent behavior. During the 1960s and 1970s, AI started to grow as an academic field. Scientists developed programs that could mimic human intelligence. They made machines that could solve algebra problems, understand natural language, and even play chess. However, progress was slow and the early optimism started to fade. By the 1980s, AI entered a period known as AI winter. This was a time when funding and interest in AI fell. Many people were disappointed by the unfulfilled promises of AI. But in the 1990s, things started to change again. A key figure during this period was Marvin Minsky, another father of AI. Minsky co-founded the Massachusetts Institute of Technology's AI laboratory. He believed that AI could match human intelligence if properly funded and researched. In the late 1990s and 2000s, with the rise of the internet and improvements in the technology, AI started to become a reality. Companies like Google, Amazon, and Facebook began using AI to improve their services. For example, Google's search engine uses AI to understand and rank web pages. Did you know? In 2011, IBM's AI system, Watson, won the game show Jeopardy, beating human champions. This was a big moment in AI history. It showed that AI could understand and respond to complex human language. Today, AI is everywhere. It's in our phones, our cars, and even our homes. Scientists are now working on advanced AI systems that can learn, adapt, and make decisions just like humans. But the history of AI isn't just about technology. It's also about the people who dreamed of a world where machines could think. From John McCarthy to Alan Turing to Marvin Minsky, these pioneers laid the foundation for the AI we have today. That's a brief history of AI. It's a story of big dreams, hard work, and persistence. And this story is still being written as AI continues to evolve and shape our future.